Greetings everyone. We are from Group 5 of Waste Treatment course in Gorontalo State University. Consists of me, Helena Jonovan, and my partner, Destri Anita, with student ID number as follow. Would like to presenting about case study of inorganic waste utilization of plastic waste into eco-paving block. The subject that we will discuss are include first, introduction and background, second, methods or manufacturing step, third, results and discussions, and the last is conclusion. The main research we use is an article from Hasaya, Marsida, and Firmansyah from Jurnal Jaring Saintek or GJST with the title of Potensi Pemanfaatan Ulang Sampah Plastik Menjadi Eco-Paving Block. First, introduction and background. First, dominant type of waste in Indonesia are organic trash, leftovers, and leaf litters with 50%, and plastics 15%, and paper 10%. From that statement, we know that plastic waste are also a problem in Indonesia. Moreover, plastic waste has chemical elements with covalent bond, so it's hard to degrade naturally. Thirdly, half of plastic waste also can polluting the environment, covering the ground and water, disturbing living creatures, live aquatic creatures, reducing water quality and land, etc. Not only that, Indonesia expressed as the second biggest country of ocean plastic trash contributor after China. Next, low recycling rate of plastic waste. Amount of unmanaged trash in Bekasi Regency as the location of the my article research reached 700 tons per day and around 85.67 tons per day only for Bekasi Cinti. There is a waste bank in the residential area of Rawalumbu District Bekasi which can accommodate various inorganic waste such as plastic cup, styrofoam, cans, food wrappers, and plastic bottles with a capacity of up to 150 kg per day. However, to solve the problem of plastic waste, it is not enough just to rely on waste banks. Due to that problem, there is an innovation of alternative use of plastic waste is plastic waste recycling, which is the production raw materials plastics into eco-paving block. Eco-paving block is a concrete product, type of building material that is used for road pavement and has regular dimensions, made of certain types of plastic waste, especially PET or PT, plastics type, or polyethylene terephthalate. For manufacturing of eco-paving block, the mixing cement and sand to make concrete process is replaced by mixing certain plastics with sand in a certain amount. So, the plastic materials can unite with the sand mixture. But first, the plastic waste have to be melted with a tool called plastic smelter. The next subject is methods or manufacturing steps. The methods that is used from this research is experimental method, and the stage of making eco-paving block with plastic smelter are described below. First step, analysis and its identification to make eco-paving block. It has materials characteristics that refers to SNE with numbers such as follow, including high heat resistance is up to 250 degrees Celsius. The second step is initial design, concept, and plastic smelter analysis. Plastic smelter tool is required for melting plastic raw materials. The third step, repair and design of plastic smelter. From the initial design analysis, it is determined of the improvements that may have to be made. The fourth steps, component inventory. The components that need to have to be well known in order to know what is available and what needs to be provided. The fifth step is tool creation and testing. If all components and tools are already available, that assembly of the plastic smelter tool is carried out and can start to try it. The sixth step is trial analysis and evaluations. Testing step is usually done several times so that it will be more likely to be succeed. The seventh step, recycling into eco-paving block product manufacturing step. Making eco-paving block is done by using tool called plastic smelter. As for the procedures are described as follows. First, the smelter is connected to electric power, and the thermostat control is positioned at a temperature that is suitable for plastic material characteristic to be melted. The second step, wait for the plastic smelter tool to reach the specified temperature. It's marked with a green light indicator. The media in the form is used cooking oil, which used because it makes the melting process faster and the plastic melts can easily receive. The third step, plastic waste is put into a plastic smelter. Observations are made periodically during the melting process to see the texture and consistency of the melting plastic material that will be used for the final product. The fourth step, the melted plastic product is mixed with sand and mold into the form of eco-paving block products. The melt is left until it's hardened in the mold. The last step, eco-paving block is removed from the mold. After that, finishing or final polishing have to be done before using the final product. For instance, there are some references videos that will show more information about the potential of recycling plastic waste into eco-paving blocks. The link of the videos are in the slide as follows. Okay, for next subjects will be presented by my partner.
Next, I will explain the third part, the result and discussion. The equipment used in processing plastic waste is plastic smelter. A plastic smelter is a tool that functions to melt certain types of plastic waste to be recycled into new products, such as flower pots, plastic, blue, and others. Based on the table 1, we can see the type of ABS plastic has the highest boiling point and the longest time. In strength experiment, the use of only PET plastic in a plastic block that was more prone to break, so a harder plastic mixture was needed. ABS plastic is hard and heat resistant, so it takes longer to melt than PET or PET plastic. In addition, ABS plastic tend to have a lower adhesion than PET. The use of a combination PET and ABS plastic type produce a strong and stable plastic mixture with higher adhesion. Okay, next. The following is a graph of key difference in melting temperature of plastic types. Key melting time for the types of plastic combination is faster than ABS only and longer than only PET with 8 minutes 21 seconds. The time required is also not much different from melting on PET, with a difference of 55 seconds. The combination of PET and ABS, the energy required is high, and the time required is quite fast. Next, further in figure 2, difference in melting duration of plastic time. In the strength experiment, the use of plastic in a plastic block that was more prone to breaks, so a harder plastic mixture was needed. ABS plastic is hard and heat resistant, so it takes longer to melt than PET on PET plastic. In addition, ABS plastic tend to have a lower adhesion than PET. The use of combination of PET and ABS plastic type products a strong and stable plastic mixture with higher adhesion. Next, here is a picture of top and side view of eco-paving block trial. From the test result, the stability of the eco-paving block cannot be tested further. Based on the result, the type of PET and ABS plastic cannot be mixed optimally. There is tendency for lighter PET plastic to be at the top of eco-popping block trials and up plastic to be at the bottom mode. Mixing between these two types of plastic hasn't occurred optimal. Melt plastic must be more coating so that eco-puffing block product can be formed consistently and stable. Next, finally, that conclusion that can be of presentation, the use of plastic recycle has the potential to make eco-puffing block. This product is made by adhesive pad and UPS plastic waste, making eco-puffing block from a mixture and melt plastic. In order for the plastic to melt, a plastic melter or plastic smelter is needed. Based on experimental results, compared to the use of one type of plastic, only pad or only UPS, the combination of using pad and UPS with a melting time of 8 minutes 21 seconds and requiring a temperature of 278 Celsius produce a plastic melting mixture that has good adhesion and resilience. This product has the potential to be used as an eco-puffing block. Thank you for the attention.